According to the steady storm of rumors, the iPhone 15 release date is just around the horizon. We're expecting an Apple event next month, maybe on September 12th or 13th, but the specific date has yet to be announced, and if history repeats itself, the phone should arrive not long after. As with any big Apple release, a slew of new features for both the basic iPhone 15 and Plus versions, as well as the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max, have already been reported, including a USB-C port, action button, updated camera array, and more. According to a growing number of rumors, Apple is planning to replace the mute switch with a new solid-state action button with the 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max. Based on the leaks we've heard so far, the action button will still be able to toggle your phone's ringer on and off, just like the mute switch. However, you can now program the button to do a variety of additional useful purposes such as activating Do Not Disturb or low power mode, among others. Since Apple unveiled the first iPhone in 2007, the mute switch has been standard on every model. Apple and other smartphone makers have been gradually removing its competitors from their device designs for years, despite the physical toggle having its advantages. The mute switch may soon follow in the footsteps of the headphone jack and the 30-pin charger, so it's not surprising that Apple would want to replace it with something more modern, especially given long-standing rumors about Apple's plans to eventually replace all iPhone buttons with solid-state alternatives. With the iPhone 15 series, Apple is likely to remove its proprietary Lightning charging port in favor of a conventional USB-C 1 port, a long-desired switch that coincides with new EU regulations. Force Apple to adopt the USB-C port by the end of 2024. Earlier this week, reported photos of the iPhone 15 USB-C port showed off another notable update, Thunderbolt connection, which might deliver significantly better possible data transfer rates to iPhone customers. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.